So some... Oh. Feel like you're at work?
Tighten it still. Yeah, that's what that should be.
Okay, where you cracked that before.
Should be able to crack that loose and pump it by hand. But...
Oh yeah. Oh okay. Yeah. Get that thing out of my face!
Get these fuel lines hooked up and we'll be back washing rock. I mean, it's not ideal, but that's mining.
That's usually all you need to do to bleed it?
Well, like these things are good. They're not that.
Okay.
They're not that.
Are they in the truck or the?
Yeah, they're buried in the snow.
You on?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fire it up!
Keep going. Okay, go again.
So it took a while to get it?
Yeah. Probably the injectors too. Oh,
that fire, didn't it?
well, yeah. Just... Okay, crank it.
So that was...
No, keep cranking it.